Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to create a Nintendo account for your Nintendo Switch 2's user profile. So what we want to do is head on over to the registration page on Nintendo's website. I'll post a link to this page down in the description if you'd like to access it through there. So when creating a Nintendo account, you have some options to link up a Google account, for instance, or an Apple account. I'm going to go through the Google account option, but also if you'd rather not link up a service that's listed above, you can just scroll down and start filling out all of the information here to create your Nintendo account. But I want to link up a Google account, so I'm going to click the Google option. And from here, I need to sign into the Google account that I would like to link up and create with my Nintendo account. And after I give permission to share my Google account information with this Nintendo account that I'm creating, it brings us back to this page where we can enter in a nickname for our Nintendo account, as well as entering in a password for this account, your date of birth, gender, country or region of residence, and your time zone. After filling in this information, we can scroll down to the bottom, and I don't want to get promotional emails from Nintendo, so I'm going to uncheck this box. Then you can look over the user agreement, the privacy policy, and if you're good with those, you can check these boxes and then click submit. Now a verification code will be sent to the email that you had used during this registration process, so I'm going to go grab that code, put it in here, and then finish the verification, and I'm going to verify. And the Nintendo account has now been created, so I'm going to click OK. And that's going to take us over to our user information page in our Nintendo account over at Nintendo's website. So now at this point, I'm going to take you over to my Nintendo Switch 2 to show you how you can log in with your Nintendo account and get your user profile set up on your console. Now over on the homepage of my Nintendo Switch 2, what I'm going to do is go over and select the system settings. From here, we want to scroll down until we find where it says users, and then we're going to click where it says add user. And I'm going to sign in using this Nintendo account that I just created. And you have some different options. You can sign in using this QR code, or you can sign in using other methods. I'm just going to sign in right on the console itself. So I'm going to click here where it says other sign-in methods. And I'm going to enter in the email and password for the account that I had just created, and then I'm going to sign in. And if you enter in your sign-in information correctly, it'll take you over to the next page where it says that it has signed into the Nintendo account. And next, we're going to set up our profile icon. So we're going to select next, and then we can create an icon. We can select our character from the ones that are listed in this area. And then we can also select a background color for this. And after we've selected that, we can click OK. And now I need to enter in a username. And once you enter in your username, we can click OK. And now the profile image and name has been set for this Nintendo account that is now hooked up to this user profile. And the user has now been added to the system. So I can click OK. And I can see that it's now showing up here in my users list. If I head back over to the home page, that user is going to show up right here. And it's all set up and linked up with my Nintendo account that I had just created. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful, walking you through the steps on how to create a Nintendo account and link it up to a user profile on your Nintendo Switch 2. I appreciate you guys stopping by and consider subscribing for more content in the future.